Welcome to Henry's Show.
Hi, I'm your friend Henry. Are you ready to do Unit 1? Blip, clip, flip. Let's start. Circle the correct beginning letters. Number 1, blip, black. Number 2, flip, flag. Number 3, clip, clock. Number 4, flip, flame. Number 5, clip, clam. Number 6, blue, blade. Number 7, clip, cliff. Number 8, blue, blue. Number 9, flip, flute. Try and read. Blaze, bless, block, blah. Yes, have more word that is blue. Clip, class, click, club, clue. Okay, another word that is clue. Flame, fled, flock, flute. To the right, C, blimp. And one more. This is black, E. Number 2, clip, A, clap. And F, clock. Flip, B, flap. Flip, D, flag. Circle the correct picture. Number 2, blue, blaze. Number 3, clip, clam. Number 4, clip, cliff. Number 5, flip, flame. Number 6, flip, flute. Number 2, flag. Number 3, clock. Number 4, blimp. Number 5, clam. Number 6, flap. Number 7, cliff. Number 8, clap. Match. Blip, blue, blip, blaze. Click, clam, clip, cliff. Flip, flame, flip, flute. Blade, black. We don't call it black, so that's coloristic. And clock. Now, next, flame. Okay, now, 10. Black, blue, blade. B-L-A-D-E, blade. Blimp, clock, clam, cliff, clap. And flip, flag, flame, flute, flute, flap. Next time we're going to do Unit 2. See you next time. Bye.